Good Thursday morning. It is date night tonight. Oh, I'm so excited. Takes a little getting used to driving this big old truck, but I like it. See, I've got to get an oil change. I think I told you yesterday. It's like maybe 11,000 miles between the last one, but I inherited that, so I'm gonna this afternoon get the oil changed. Gotta get a haircut today. I'm gonna do that as well. I see a little police activity up ahead. Oh, motor cop. All right, it's about lunchtime. I'm getting ready to go get a haircut because I really need one. And I think Kim is getting ready to go to a movie because her office is having a team building experience. Which, all right, so it's team building at a place where you must sit in the dark and not talk to anyone. That sounds like fun. That sounds like team building. Well, there's my barber shop across the way there, but there's like no cars, which is, one just pulled in. So I better get in there. That's right next to a Dutch Brothers, which is always packed, and that doesn't even seem packed today. But the place where I get my tattoo, Golden Rule Tattoo. I gotta go get an oil change. And I got real busy at work, so I didn't get the opportunity to eat my lunch. So I'm gonna just swing through Chick-fil-A. I'll just sit and eat my sandwich and all that while my truck is getting cleaned and oil changed and all that. Found out today the bozo who had this truck before me never changed the oil. And it's got 28,000 miles. So, I'm gonna get the oil changed for the first time. How about that? Come on over. All right, I got the chicken deluxe sandwich along with large waffle fry. I always up large or upsize the fries because they are the best. So I'm gonna sit here in the parking lot and eat, and then I'm gonna head over and get my oil changed. All right, no big surprise here. Came up to rock bottom. But I just heard some sort of fireworks or something, but geez, after the Vegas shooting, could have been gunfire. Who knows? I did lock it, right? Yeah. These are the honey beer glazed wings. It's just for Oktoberfest here at Rock Bottom. And then garlic potato wedges. Well, we had such a good time tonight. Our friends Dave and Leslie, Sideshow, they actually showed up, and they weren't going to because they're going to Vegas tomorrow. But they showed up and we had a good time. But it's like 10 o'clock. And that's way past my normal bedtime. So I'm going to go to bed because I'm tired. And we'll do this all again tomorrow. So good night.